My name is Mia. I'm 27 years old and I live in Düsseldorf. Cancer, especially breast cancer, is a huge topic in my family. One day I saw an Instagram campaign about how to check your breast, and I did the testing, I followed the instructions and suddenly felt a golf ball big tumor in my right breast. And this was the point where my personal cancer journey started, and where I decided to fight for my life and accept it as a challenge and make the best of it. Losing my hair was always the biggest fear I had. I felt like my identity was kind of taken away from me. That's the reason why I decided to not lose my hair, but to give my hair away. This was a moment which I also shared with Alina. She was by my side, she was supporting me.
She said to me, "I don't care what I have to do, I will not die." And I said, "You will not, I will be there for you." And she told me, "I will cut off my hair. I don't want to wake up and have my hair in my hands." And I have so much respect for her, because I know a lot of patients say, "I don't want to lose my hair." They cling on to it. And she said, "No, I want to be free."
Hi, my name is Emma, and for the past 10 years I've been making women's hair beautiful as a master hairdresser. The concept of assisting women to find a new version of themselves is truly beautiful to me. And also I acknowledge that the stress which comes with all the situation is also real and it matters. Hair has the power to restore hope, and this is where I can help, and I'm really thankful for this opportunity.
For me, the attitude of Fuck Off Cancer by Olivia is comparable to cancer as a very unpleasant person moving in your house without you wanting it. You can imagine this person destroying everything in your home, everything that you're loving. Cancer didn't know who his enemy is.